Today our class is asanas for flexibility and growth. We'll see the asanas. First, Trikonasana. Stand straight. Then take your left leg towards the left side. The gap between 1.5 feet distance. It's called Trikonasana. Trikonasana. Then raise your both hands slowly above the shoulder level. Look straight. Keep your body erect. Take a deep breath. Then breathe out. Slowly bend towards the right side. Right side. Try to keep your right palm at the side of the right foot. Now look at the left palm. Hold it 10 seconds. Try to hold it 10 seconds. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Now look at the left fingertips. Yes. After 10 seconds, breathe in and slowly come up. Breathe in and slowly come up. Then breathe out, slowly bring the hands down. Come back to the normal position. Attention position. Then close your eyes, few seconds, then observe the changes. Those who are not bent properly, I will tell you one more method is there. Extend your legs, raise your hands. This is second variation. If you are not able to touch the floor, you can keep here or else on the toe. Don't try to touch at a time. If you are able to touch, then you can keep it. If you are not able to touch, you can keep here also. It's okay. But you should not bend your knees. Knees should be straight. And look at the fingertips. Hold it 10 seconds. Then breathe in and come up. Breathe in. Then breathe out. Bring the legs together. Hands down. This is Trikonasana. The uses of this Trikonasana, whenever you are doing this pose, you should take proper breath in this pose. During the pose, at the same time, your hip and leg muscles, the knees and ankles will get more strengthening of the muscles. At the same time, stretches your adductors and hamstring muscles will get proper stretch. At the same time, your body will be twist. Here we have the abdominal organs will get proper massage. So now the same pose left side. We'll see the same pose to the left side also. Extend your legs. The gap between 1.5 to 2 feet distance. Then breathe in slowly. Raise the hands above the shoulder. Then breathe out. Bend towards the left. Look at the right fingertips. Keep the palm down or else keep on the foot or else keep on the leg. That is depending on your capability. Yeah, after 10 seconds, slowly come back. Breathe in and come back. Breathe in and come back. Then breathe out. Slowly bring the legs down, legs together, hands down. Close your eyes and observe the changes. Yeah, this is called Trikonasana. Now we'll go for the second one, Parivutta Trikonasana. Revolved extend pose. Parivutta Trikonasana. Look at here. Just spread your legs more. 3 to 4 feet distance. Keep your hips straight. Slowly raise your hands up to the shoulder level. Breathe in. Take normal breath here. Then twist your body towards the left side. Twist your body towards the left side. Take a proper breath. Then breathe out. Slowly bend towards the left. Your right hand. Keep your right hand on the left toe. Keep your right hand on the left toe, twist your body and look at the left fingers. Look at the left fingertips. Don't bend your knees should be straight. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. After 10 seconds, breathe in and slowly come up. Here also twist your body. Breathe in. Then breathe out, slowly bring the hands down, legs together. This is called Parivrtta Trikonasana. It is also very good asana for your hip and spine flexibility. At the same time, your hip flexors, which muscles we are having around the hip, that muscles will get proper flexible. At the same time, coordination of the body muscles. So the thing is, the one more importance is your leg muscles, which we are having the groin, thigh inside muscles, then hamstring muscles. At the same time, knees and ankle joints will get more strengthening. So then the same pose towards the right. Extend your legs, stretch your legs, stand in comfortable position. Raise your both hands above the shoulder level. Take breath in, then breathe out, bend towards the right. Same. Keep your right hand, yes, extend your legs, twist your body towards the right. Keep your left hand on the right toe. Raise your right hand up. Look at the right fingertips. Take a proper breath in, breathe out. Don't close your eyes. After 10, breathe in and come up. Again breathe in, twist your body towards the straight position. Then breathe out, bring the hands down and legs down, legs together. This is Parivrtta Trikonasana. Now the third pose is chair pose. Stand straight. Here the chair pose, you can stretch your legs forward, or else you can raise your head, hands above the head. We'll do these two variations also. So first of all, we are the learners. So because keep the distance little, half feet distance between the feet. Stand feet apart. Yeah. Keep your spine straight, body erect. Bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees. Don't bend forward and backward. Keep your backbone straight and bend your knees. Go down, go down, go down. Just raise your both hands above the head. Palms together. Take proper breath in, breathe out. Don't hold the breath. Don't shake your body. Yes. After 10 seconds, slowly breathe in and slowly stand up. And breathe out. Bring the hands down. This is very good, important pose. Strengthens of your knee, ankle joints and thigh muscles. And here your shoulders and your arms muscle will get more strengthening and flexibility. We can observe when you are raising hands above the head, this side part will get stretched. Okay? At the same time, it will improve your breathing level. This is called chair pose. Now the next pose, look at here, Bhujangasana. That is called cobra pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. First sit in Vajrasana. You have to relax on your heels. Sit in Vajrasana. Keep your both hands forward. Keep your both palms to shoulder level. Sit your body weight. Sit your body weight on the hands and take your legs back. Both legs back. Take your legs back together. Legs together. legs together, shift legs together, then shift your body weight on the top, completely on the hand, then the lower body can rest on the floor. The lower body can rest on the floor. From toe to hip level, the entire lower body on the rest on the floor. Yes, look at your. Extend your hands, do not bend your elbows. This is cobra pose. Just chin up. Take proper breath in, breathe out. After 10 counts, just relax. Relax in Vajrasana pose. Relax in Vajrasana pose. This is called Bhujangasana, cobra pose. It strengthens of your spinal cord, the hip flexors muscles, then stretches abdominal and core muscles. It will improve your digestive system. Children, when you are doing practice of asanas, if you feel difficult, take your help of your parents or your elders support. With their observation, to try to do practice, it's better. Thank you. Kachera.